From the coronavirus to another health alert. A case of polio has been confirmed in Rockland County. This is the first case found in the U.S. since 2013. The infectious disease can cause paralysis, and local health officials are now warning there could be more cases out there. To keep the virus from spreading further, county officials, in fact, are now hosting vaccination clinics for anyone at risk of getting the disease. Eyewitness News reporter Marcus Solis live in Pomona with more. Marcus.
Indeed, Dave, cases of polio in the United States exceedingly rare. This is the first case in nearly a decade. Now, as many remember, however, the disease can have devastating effects. This patient is a young adult, was unvaccinated, and has suffered paralysis, which is likely permanent. The Rockland County Health Department has now received a shipment of 300 doses of polio vaccine to supplement its supply, which it will begin administering tomorrow. This is the injectable version that is used in the United States. Through testing, health officials know the patient who contracted polio was exposed to someone who was inoculated with the oral vaccine, which can mutate in the body, and that's why it's no longer used here. The origin is still unknown, but the patient did not travel outside of the country, so the exposure was here, and that patient first began experiencing symptoms a month ago and is no longer contagious, but the health department is investigating whether any of that person's close contacts are at risk. The polio vaccine is required by law to be given to children before entering school. Again, this patient was unvaccinated, and the county executive says given the rise in vaccine hesitancy related to COVID, there's a concern for those children who have not yet been immunized.
Do the right thing for your child and the greater good of your community, and have your child vaccinated now. The polio vaccine has been around since 1955. Clearly, it's a safe vaccine.
Now, the vaccine will be offered tomorrow here at the Rockland County Health Department complex from 10 a.m. to noon, and on Monday between 1 and 4 p.m. And again, this is only for people who have been unvaccinated against polio. The vast majority of the population has received the 3-dose treatment, which is 99% effective.